Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make rich and chocolatey vegan brownie. Line a 15 cm round cake pan with parchment paper. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Wrap the silken tofu with paper towels and let it sit for about 30 minutes to remove excess moisture. In a heat-proof bowl, melt 70 grams of chocolate and extra virgin olive oil over a double boiler or in the microwave and mix until smooth and glossy. In a bowl, combine tofu and coconut sugar and mix until completely smooth and creamy. Add soy milk, salt, melted chocolate mixture, rum, and stir until well combined and uniform. In a separate bowl, sift together flour, almond flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder. Add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and fold gently with a spatula until just combined. If you prefer more chocolatey taste, fold in the 40 grams of chopped chocolate. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the surface is set. Let the brownie cool and remove from the pan. This brownie can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For the best taste and texture, warm them slightly before serving. I hope you enjoy making this delicious vegan brownie and share it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.